NetworkWiz, securing the future with innovative technologies.
If you want to improve privacy in Windows 11, you can do it by following these quick steps. Click the search bar, write Settings, go to the Privacy and Security tab, go to Generals, make sure all of these options are turned off, then go back, go to Diagnostic and Feedback, make sure these are also turned off. Then you go to Activity History, make sure these are also turned off. You can also click this to clear your history for this account. Then you go back, go to Search Permissions, make sure all of these options under Microsoft account and history, these are all turned off. You can also clear the history here. Then under App Permission, either you can disable access to location, camera and microphone globally to all of the application, or just select the application which actually needs it. And that's how you improve your privacy in Windows 11. Thank you for watching.
Make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. By doing so, you'll help more people benefit from this video. If you're new to the channel and eager to stay updated on the latest technology and trends, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.